is Brae Anderson, and today we're going to go over creating a Google ad. To start out, you will go to the Google Ads website. You can do this just by searching in your search bar, Google Ads, and usually the first link that comes up will be your website that you need to go to. You'll come to the top right corner and click Sign In. Now mine remembers my sign in. It will take you to a login page and have you log in if you do not have that. The first thing you are going to do is create a campaign. We can start by using a keyword like cookies. You can edit the country and location. For this, we can click custom locations and we can change it to Salt Lake City, Utah. The company would be. Then you click done. You can change the languages. We'll keep it at English just because you want to reach people that are able to understand what the ad is. So you'll click next. At this point, it's going to come up with a URL. And here you will put the final website that you will be tracking all of the ads to. Morsel.com. And then underneath this, it's going to... You can see that it guessed what the company is because I didn't put cookies in that title. So it's not about baseball and it's not about sports. So we're gonna clean this up by putting some keywords. So you'll click cookies, enter desserts, enter treats, enter chocolate chips, cookies, enter, and then you can add as many as you want. These are just what the product is going to be that you are advertising. Here you can put versus what makes them unique. Obviously you can make this a lot longer, a lot more specific, and that might help your campaign, but for this example we're just going to leave it at that. Here we can see that our campaign optimization score is 93.4%, so it's pretty good. Let's click generate assets and keep going. At this point, it will tell you if your URL is real. If you don't have a real URL, your ad won't work. Here you can add your company's phone number and a headline, cookies, morsel cookies delivered, morsel dessert, custom chocolate cookies, cookies gifts, morsel cookies, we make cookies. You can see that like it kind of will give you suggestions on what you'll put. Here you can put some headlines. So, cookies freshly baked and delivered. And you can put more if you want. And then you can put the description. Obviously it still thinks it's a baseball league and it's not, so let's fix that. You can come up with different descriptions by clicking to generate some. Here, usually you'll be able to select pictures from your website. If your URL is not working, obviously it's not going to have pictures. But we can just select some cookie ones, and it will have your ad strength in the corner. Right now it's not so strong. Then here you can add your logos. But you can see you'll click plus logos, and then you can either look for it on your website, and usually your website will have your logo and you'll just be able to click on it and add it. But since mine isn't on hand, I'm not going to do that right now. Morsel Cookies is the business name. You can add some videos and your website and your different social media websites, and then you can pick a call to action. So we'll do shop now because it is a cookie delivery place. And then you're ready to move on. And this will just show what it looks like on Google on someone's phone. You'll click next. Again, it just wants you to fix any issues. You can go over, which, that's self-explanatory. We'll just click this logo for now, just so it will let us keep going. Hopefully. Okay, here you can pick your bid strategy. I'll just do conversions and click to learn more too. And then it will give you a recommended daily budget with a breakdown of the weekly costs. Here you can put your custom, and then you'll just click next. You can pick either of those. This has the time zone, how much you'll spend, and then your payment information. And then we're not going to click submit because this isn't a real ad, but that is how you create a campaign. Again, my name is Brae Anderson, and this is for my digital marketing advertising class, and this is how you create a Google ad. And wait for that to load.